Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, this is kopritzakka channel, and what I do in my YouTube channel is to bring you update about cryptocurrency, airdrop and web3 area. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please support me by subscribing, like this video, share this video and drop your thought in the comment section. And if you are here to join our WhatsApp and Telegram group, kindly locate the link in the description. Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you on what to do to get Rubi KYC invitation. So ensure you watch this video to the very end and do not skip any part of this video. Alright guys, if you haven't joined this project, I'm going to leave the link in the description, or you go to your Play Store and download Rubi. So for you to complete this Rubi KYC, you need to have some Rubi tokens in your wallet. So guys, once you come to your Rubi dashboard, then you are going to click on this wallet icon. So once you click on this wallet icon, and if your wallet is showing like this, then that means your wallet is not active. So to activate your wallet, you are going to click on this ready. But before you click on this ready, make sure you have already created a wallet on this Rubi app. And if you haven't created a wallet, then you can go ahead and create your wallet. So like I said, once you come, you click on ready, then you can see we have three options to access your wallet. The first option is either you input your seed phrase, or you use your QR code, or you use your hash code. And if you don't have this hash code or this QR code, then you can use your seed phrase. And if you don't have this seed phrase, then you can go ahead and create a new one. But if you have it, then you can go ahead and use one out of these three options. So for me, I'm going to use seed phrase. So once you come here, your seed phrase is going to appear below this icon. So you are to arrange your seed phrase from number 1 to number 12. Then you click on access wallet. Like I said, if you don't have this seed phrase, then you can go ahead and create a new one. So once you click on it, then it's going to load, and here you can see this is our wallet. So we have successfully activated our wallet. So the next thing to do is very simple. Make sure you carry out some transaction in your account, because it will be helpful. So if you want to send these Rubi tokens to another Rubi user, then you click on send. Then you are going to paste the person address or his number or his username. Then you input the amount you want to send to that person, and then transfer that Rubi to him. And if you want to receive, then you click on receive icon. Then either you copy your receiving address or your phone number or your username. And if you want to buy this Rubi, I'm available. Just message me on WhatsApp by this phone number. I'm going to leave this phone number on your screen and in the comment section. So guys, like I said, make sure you carry out some transaction on your Rubi account. And to complete your KYC, you click on this icon, then you click on user verification. Once you click on user verification, then you click on eKYC. Then you click on next, and here are the KYC eligibility. The first one is by completing 30 days mining. The second one is you must have at least 30 Rubi, and this third one is different. They are the ones that are going to invite you to complete your KYC. That's why I said you need to have some Rubi in your wallet, and their listing date is not going to take place in this quarter. It will take place in next quarter.